What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with it. Go ahead and hop right into this video. So as y'all see by the title, I will be installing a wig. This is the perfect blonde wig for the fall. Y'all see that? Y'all see how it's flowing? So in this video, I will be installing this wig. The company that this wig is from is Yolova hair, and let me show y'all. Boom. This is what it came in. This is the box it came in. And it just says Yolova at the bottom, and it say born for beauty, a lasting natural looking solution, and that's at the top. And this is 100% human hair wig for black people. This is what they say that is for black people, so I'm just quoting what they said, but yes, it's 100% human hair. And this comes off. I love the packaging, like this little, I can't think of the word right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And then it has it right here on the box too, and then it just says Yolova right there. And of course the wig and stuff is not in here because I got it on my head. So I'm gonna insert a clip of all the stuff that came in the box. Now for the wig itself, it is a straight 13x4 lace wig. It's 180% density piano honey blonde human hair, and that's exactly what it's giving. It's honey blonde, and it has like a dark, like it's not black, but it has like a darker brown, and then it's kind of like in piano streaks. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but yes, this wig is bomb. Like, this wig is good. The hair is really soft. It's no shedding. When I rub my hair, when I rub my hand through it, nothing comes off. It's really, really soft, really flowy. Y'all see that? Like, it just falls right back into place. And I decided to do a middle part because I haven't did a middle part in so long, and I felt like with this hair, I really wanted to get the piano effect of the highlights. So that's why I did it the way I did it. I also cut some layers in the front to give it, like, you know, the layer effect in the front. And then I kind of curled it under too, just to make it look more fuller. The ends were a little frizzy, but it wasn't bad at all. And this hair is so freaking soft. I said this is a 24 inch, and let me show y'all. Well, I did cut some of it off, so it would have been a little bit longer, but this is where it falls on me. And I'm 5'3.5". So yeah, if you around the same height as me, that's where it's gonna fall. This is where it falls in the front. So yeah, this hair is really nice. I'm so glad that this company reached out to me, because I needed a fall wig, and this is the perfect one for the fall. It's not too blonde, because I know some wigs, they'll do it where it's bright blonde and then it'll be black, like black and blonde streaks, and it just be too much. This is perfect. So if you want this exact same wig, I'm gonna have a discount code for you on the screen right here, so you can use this discount code to take some money off of your order. I also want to say thank you to this company for reaching out to me, because I just accomplished one of my main YouTube goals. One of my main YouTube goals was to collab with a hair company, and I finally got my first collab with the hair company, and it is this company, Yolova. So I really appreciate that. So yes, I really appreciate this company for reaching out to me, because I'm so happy I finally got to collab with a hair company, and it's only up from here. Like, it's up and it's stuck. After my first collab, I plan on collabing with more hair companies, and you know, just doing more hair videos. Before I get into the video of me installing this wig, make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up if y'all like how this wig came out. I'm not a professional, but I can do a little, you know, I can do a little something when it comes to wigs. So yeah, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Like I said before, discount code I'm gonna leave it on the screen again, and you can check out the link in the description box down below to get all the information that you need on this wig, how to purchase hair from their company, all of that good stuff. So yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the clip of me installing the wig, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the packaging that it came in. I kind of already showed y'all a little bit of it, and I'm just opening it up. This is the little dust bag it came in, and that's the inside of the packaging. I thought it looked so cute, so I had to show it. It came with a wig cap. It came with some lashes. I probably won't. Okay, let me not lie. I won't be wearing the lashes. It came with tweezers, and here's the wig in the plastic packaging. It was packaged so nicely, y'all. So yeah, I'm just pulling out the plastic and take the net off. It came with the little paper in the inside too. Yeah, it's just me taking the net off of the wig, and the wig was so soft right out of the package. Like, it was so freaking soft. Like, that's what the ends look like, and the color was just so cute and perfect. This is what the lace looked like. It was kind of easy to blend this type of lace. It came with 3 combs. Well, it was really like 4 combs on the inside, and the adjustable straps where you can tighten it. And that's just what it looks like when I was shaking it. Really flowy and bouncy. Okay, so before installing this wig, I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck anything. This wig's hairline was perfect. I didn't need to pluck anything. It was already thin enough for it to look natural, so I didn't have to do anything extra. All I did was bleach the knot.
Do 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 do. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yeah. Tell the girls I wanna meet her. 1 second thought that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. If I don't say yeah, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I see the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. And so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Ooh. Across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I see the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I see the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying oh yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so so she get it that she is. I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave, excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. I would love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if your shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, make her understand. Y'all was made to dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she wanted to, man. Whoa. Do 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 do. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yeah. Tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it that she is. I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. If I don't say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. And so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just 1 2 step, 1 2 step. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Ooh. Across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said before, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And it's up from here, y'all. So make sure y'all keep supporting. Thank you for everybody that has been supporting me through my YouTube journey. Yeah. Thank y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.